Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. It's Saturday. So today we're heading to Build-A-Bear to celebrate once again my birthday. So yeah, because even though in previous vlogs I'm 26 years old now. So yeah, I'm getting older, guys. I'm getting older. So we're gonna do Build-A-Bear today, and probably we're gonna do something cool. So yeah, just stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. So yeah, and also thank you so much for this awesome birthday wishes the other day, and I really do appreciate it. Since I started this channel back in 2009, I was doing some fun videos, but I moved on to some kind of first look things, and also vlogging, road trips, adventures, all that stuff since I graduated high school and college. So yeah, but anyway, it is home to the various videos including gameplays, vlogging, adventure, travel, etc. So yeah, and also I've done stuff, I got stuff. So yeah, but anyway, just going to relax and get ready and walk to Build-A-Bear. Also, by the way, while I was waking up this morning, I did watch the Bevos to start my morning. So shout out to the Bevos because I just woke up watching you guys. And yeah, and also Quintus, thank you so much for the comment from yesterday's vlog. I really do appreciate it. And yes, I'm gonna have a blast at Build-A-Bear. So yeah. So here's Quint's comment. Look at that. Look at this, guys. But first, I'm having leftovers from Carlos and Kelly's last night when we celebrate my birthday. So my aunt just got here and we're watching Winter Olympics together. What do you think, Angie?
I think it's fun.
We're watching penguins skating, so yeah, my mom is out and my aunt just got here. We're watching Winter Olympics. So my aunt is ordering hibachi boy from DoorDash. So yeah, so I'm still waiting for my mom to come pick me up so we can go to Build-A-Bear, Angie.
Yes.
Yeah. So here's my belated birthday sushi from Hibachi Boy while we're watching Winter Olympics. Alright guys, it's the evening, so we didn't vlog much, so yeah. But anyway, it's the evening. So we're heading off to Build-A-Bear. I believe they're closing at 9. So I'm wearing this shirt that I got from Forever 21, the jean jacket from Sparkle of Grey, and also my pants, and also my shoes from Von Bar, and my Apple Watch, and also I'm bringing a purse from Sparkle of Grey also. So yeah, it's off to Build-A-Bear. I'm at Build-A-Bear. What's up with my family? She gave me a birthday sticker. So yeah. So here's what I'm going with.
Oh, no.
This is a Red Rose Bear. Perfect for Valentine's Day.
I feel like it's
So
hot
this
where
is
I
also
am.
for the year. So this is all the
Yeah.
Valentine's stuff here.
Oh, yeah, it's
Really
hot.
cool. And some more clothes from there. So we don't have. When you like the stuffing. And also I got this silver head because I did it 25 years since Build-A-Bear went to that with me. So this is so cool.
Pixels on her feet. Rubbing on his side, puts on by his side. Rubbing on his paws, making up his baby Valentine. On his mouth, so it can help you blow out all the birthday candles. And then on his head, so it knows everything about you. Then make a wish. You also want a special birthday heart in there too?
Yeah.
Or just the silver one?
Go get a birthday heart too. You want a birthday heart
Yeah.
too? Heart. Oh man.
I'll have this one.
What is that one?
It's confetti.
Oh.
Alright, for that one, we're just gonna make a big special birthday wish on it. Even more special than the other one.
Woohoo! There you go. Right there's some stuff. We found a shirt that says, I love you more than that. Love you that.
Perfect.
This is so
It goes
cool.
with that. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So here's the final product. Go get that. Let's go name that bear. What do you say, Bob?
Let's go name the bear. Does I love you more? Let's go name the bear.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're adding some it goes with
Rosie.
the bike bear. So this is so cool, you guys.
Attention Build-A-Bear Workshop, I'd like to introduce you to my friend Trina. She's celebrating her birthday with us today. Again, every year. If I could get you to clap your hands, we're going to sing Happy Birthday Build-A-Bear Workshop style. Happy, happy birthday from Build-A-Bear to you. We hope your day is special and everything you do. We'll help you choose your bear. We'll help you stuff it too. Dress it. Oh, it's all for you. I messed that up a little bit there.
Yay! And they're celebrating 25 years. You said this was the birthday?
Well, October's the birthday, but the 25th of every month we'll do something special. So like the Hearts for You puppy came out this year from 2008.
Oh, so that's a recycled
It's
one.
recycled. February 27th we'll have a bear from 1997, the year we opened. Not a first bear, but from the year we opened. And you will know this bear.
We need to get that.
And what do you think of the
So this is came from the vault. This is a 2008 heart shaped
So they're
cup.
probably not a.
I would say.
So this is from 2008. So I
Okay.
believe the next bear is from 1997. I believe. I'm excited. So yeah.
Okay.
So before we actually go home and swing by Sonic to get some food and drinks, I got my strawberry lemonade. Look at that. Got my strawberry lemonade. So yeah. And also I got the Frito chili potato. So yeah.
Melodies we haven't played.
Alright guys, we're back home. Check out this box. It says 25 years of hearts and hugs. Look at that. And also it even has a birthday sticker on it. So yeah, it came with this box right here for 25 years. Look at that. So I will do a haul tomorrow when I'm not having sleep. So yeah, this is really cool. But on that note guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start editing the vlog and send it out to you. Man, what a great day. We went to Build-A-Bear, so yeah, this is really cool. So anyway, I gotta start wrapping up this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventurers want to be. And next watching, please display bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Build-A-Bear Camp 17's channel. Until next time, peace.